If you want to measure blood oxygen level on your Apple Watch Ultra 3rd generation, first of all, you have to open all apps screen by clicking on the Crown Control button, and you have to search for the blood oxygen application. Once you actually tap on it, and if you open it this for the first time, by the way, you will have to accept some permissions. Now we have to make sure that you wear the Apple Watch correctly to actually stick all of those sensors to your skin. Make sure that you don't have tattoos in this place. If you have one, put it a little bit higher or put it on the right hand. And now put your elbow on the flat surface. Now click start and just wait for the result. Do not move, do not tug, just be patient. There we go. As you can see, in my case, currently the blood oxygen level hits 100%. And if you want to learn more, you will have to click here, and there's short description of this measurement. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.